How to delete or remove your cover photo on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your cover photo on Facebook. So if you're trying to update or delete the cover photo of your Facebook, you just have to follow these simple steps. First of all, you will have to launch your Facebook app. And from here, you want to tap on this menu icon at the top right of your screen, right below the messenger icon. And then from here, tap on your profile. Now it will take you to your profile, but before we go any further, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. Alright, so once you are on your profile, just tap on the cover photo right behind your profile picture. And then from here, you will see this menu pop up. Now you just have to tap on See Cover Photo. Now it will view your cover photo right here. All you have to do is tap on this three dot at the top right of your screen. Then you will see a delete photo option. So from here, just tap on delete photo and Facebook will ask you for confirmation. Just tap on delete. And after this, if you give your profile a quick refresh, as you can see, my cover photo is no longer available on my profile. And that's how you can easily remove a cover photo on Facebook. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one.